Here's a short video to show you how to send an application and request documents from a client in Filogix Expert Pro. First, create an application if you haven't already done so. Go to your applications and click Add Application. Then begin an application. Enter your client's first name, last name, email address, and then select the type of mortgage they're applying for. Click Create Application. From here, you can enter any additional information you have for your client as well as add additional applicants. To request documents, go to your Documents tab and select the document type you'd like to request from your client. If you need to request a document type that's not on the list, you can simply type in your new document type and click Create as New Document Classification. Once you've added the document types you want to request, click Actions in the top right and create Request Package. From here, you can invite your client to complete the application, request documents, and request bank statements. You can choose one of these options or select all three to combine them into one email. Click Next Step. If there are co-applicants, you can choose to send the application directly to them by adding their names from the drop-down. Click Next Step. Select the document types you want to request. Add your co-applicants, then click Next Step. You can choose to request 12 or 3 months of bank statements from your client. You can request bank statements from a co-applicant by adding their name for the drop-down and clicking Next Step. Enter a personalized email or instructions for your client, or select a template if you have one. Then click Preview Email. Here you'll see the email that will be sent to your main applicant, asking them to complete the application, upload documents, and provide access to their bank statements. To confirm that the request package has been successfully sent, click Actions in the top right, then Create Request Package. You can see here that the request was sent, and if you click on View Details, you can see exactly what was requested. That's how to send an application and request bank statements in Filogix Expert Pro.